Hello pilots, I'm Edward and together with Grabby have been working on the CryptoQuest app. So let's recap what our project is about. CryptoQuest is a mobile app powering Web3 real-world exploration games. We reward both the user and the experience creator in a fair, transparent manner. And of course, it's all powered by Tableland. So what does the app do? It can be used in a couple of ways. It has a creator mode and an explorer mode. The creator mode allows you to tailor a new experience which explorers can join in and compete by visually customizing the look and feel of the map, adding checkpoint challenges and in the end getting rewarded. The explorer mode allows you to join a new experience in your area and start competing for crypto rewards. So let me show you how the experience of joining a challenge looks like. This is the application. Here the user can see local challenges. So this is the main page. Users can join or get invited by others. Once he gets invited, he can go to the starting point, and once he reaches it, he'll get into the game. Basically, he just has to reach the checkpoint. Once he reaches it, he'll have a trigger, sorry, which we'll have to complete either by simply visiting it or solving a riddle. For example, in this situation, the user just has to remember Gargoyle's story, and he will have to use this information for a later on challenge. We have also added minigames, and besides that, users have to visit. Once completing this mission, this checkpoint, the user can go and visit other checkpoints as well. So let me get into the technical details. I can show you a little bit of how the code is looking like. We're having a couple of contracts. We have the CryptoQuest contract, which is basically running only SQL code on the Tableland network. And we also have the Redux contract. Basically, this holds state for all of our challenges and participants into the challenge. Now, besides those, we have a backend which we will be hosted on Azure. This one acts as the main controller for the contracts, and we'll do additional checking. For example, we'll perform computer vision on photographs. We'll do additional validation, stuff like that. So we're not going to exclusively run commands from the mobile. We'll do it from the backend. Now, I can show you something interesting. I've been running the local Tableland on my own machine, and I can simulate a little bit of how something occurs within our system. If I run a challenge, basically here I can generate a challenge, and we can inspect it on the local Tableland logs. For example, here I've created a challenge and I've inserted it into this table. And of course, we can inspect it afterwards by querying our local Tableland instance, and actually see that we have created our challenge. Yeah. As for the authentication, we're going to use auth0 with Spruce. Basically, you're going to have a page like this where you can authenticate with your MetaMask or register, of course. Now, what we plan to do is to finish our integrations, prepare for a small beta launch, and start growing community around it. Thank you.